Fresh developments this evening in the case involving the suspect in the murder of a Clarendon woman and her 4 children. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has launched a probe into complaints from Rushane Barnett that he has been assaulted while in police custody. Anthony Lugg has the report.
The investigation into the alleged assault of Rushane Barnett by the police was launched by INDECOM following complaints he made to the judge when he appeared in the Home Circuit Court on Tuesday. INDECOM Commissioner Hugh Faulkner spoke with TVJ News.
So Wednesday morning, I directed that our investigators visit the lockup where Mr. Barnett was housed and to have dialogue with him. On visiting the facility, we ensured that he had access to medical intervention, and this was requested through a custody inspector. And INDECOM was assured that steps would be taken to facilitate the doctor's visit as soon as possible.
Mr. Faulkner did not provide much details. However, he says investigators will be obtaining a recorded statement from Mr. Barnett in the coming days. Steps are also being taken to obtain the official's transcript of the court proceedings to verify the complaints made.
An accused is presumed innocent by our criminal justice system. So the fact that a citizen has a criminal charge does not serve as a denial of the rights of that person, notwithstanding the matters that a citizen has been charged with. We have a duty to investigate his complaint, and so we have acted.
It's early days yet, and it's still not clear what the investigation will uncover. But we asked whether sanctions would be imposed if breaches are found.
Our aim to investigate thoroughly. As you know, INDECOM has that reputation of thorough investigation. And where the chips fall, they may.
In the meantime, attorney Tamika Harris will represent Mr. Barnett. The disclosure was made during a hearing in the Home Circuit Court Thursday morning. Mr. Barnett's return date for court was changed to July 28. This is to facilitate the completion of a psychiatric evaluation. Mr. Barnett, who is 23 years old, made his first appearance in court on Tuesday via a voluntary bill of indictment, which allows for his case to bypass a parish court hearing. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.